Happy Father's Day, Dad.
You are the best.
You are the best dad in the whole entire world.
Maging magandang video for Father's Day para kang silang daddy. Let's see. Hey boys, kasi tam.
You record.
Let's make a video for Father's Day for dad. Kasi tam ina. Awra ko ni amo ko. Ay nako. Who is your dad?
Jeremiah.
Last name?
Chaulklin.
Chaulklin. So, what do you love about that?
Loving us.
Helping us.
Helping us.
No, Kapinag. It should be Ezekiel first. What do you love about that?
Loving him, loving us, taking care of us, and playing with us with him doing nice to us and working for us
Oh.
and driving the car for when we're going somewhere and taking us to a vacation.
Oh, that's so nice. How about you, Matis? What do you love about that?
Thank you, Dad, for getting us to the cruise ship. Thank you, Dad, for getting us to Philippines,
Oh, that's
Grand
true. Huh?
Canyon,
That's true.
and thank you, Dad, for driving for us
Mm-hmm.
and playing with us and playing Risk with us.
Oh.
And Dad, you are so good for Ezekiel
Only for Ezekiel?
and me.
Oh.
You are a loving
You
dad.
are the loving dad.
Okay. So,
Hello.
what is your favorite thing that you guys do with that? What's your guys' favorite thing?
My favorite thing is when me and Dad was at the cruise ship swimming together watching the movie.
Oh. How about you, Matthias? What's your favorite thing
Favorite
you guys do? You do with that? It's okay, just to think. Thinking
Well,
sa thinking. I know.
Think.
Ezekiel. So, nagkakuan pa mi, nagkagubot. Sige. Matthias, what's your favorite thing to do? We get the spider smash, ha? So, what's your favorite thing to do, Matthias, with Dad? What is your favorite thing with Dad?
Playing Risk.
Playing Risk? What else?
Mine is more thankful, right?
Playing
No,
Risk.
don't lagi compare kasi you guys have different favorites.
Going to you and me
Yeah?
and Mom go to
You and me and Mom. Actually, you said already you. You mean Ezekiel?
No, I don't mean Ezekiel.
Oh.
He's been born there.
Oh, yeah, that's true. So, what's your favorite thing? Oh, continue. You
Going playing chess.
playing chess, playing Risk, and what else?
Risk.
The one you said you, me.
Going to Japanese or Japan.
Japan. I know, huh? You experienced Japan, huh? Yeah. What you gonna say for Dad for
Thank you,
doing all the
Dad.
things?
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah. How about you, Ezekiel?
Thank you, Dad.
For all the things you do, for hard work, yeah,
For hard work.
giving us all the things we need.
What about let's make a yard sale?
Yard sale. Go say Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Buy
Hey,
this.
Dad.
We love you.
You can buy this.
No, wala kay Happy Father's
Happy
Day.
Father's Day. And you can buy
Dad,
this.
we love you mucho mucho. You are the best. Is Daddy the best?
Dad, you're the best. Let's sell from afar.
Happy Father's Day, my love. Know that we appreciate you so much for all your hard work and being a good role model to your kids. I'm so proud of you, my love. I'm hoping and praying that one day our kids will be grow up just like you. You are kind, incredible, amazing. You are the best. We are so blessed to have you in our life. Mahal kita palanggo.
I have. Faces sila ni Ezekiel. Man, a sampler. Wala na. Ang ilang mga... Nagtap dahil na ako magkuhan. Kuha.
Hold on. What do you call a dinosaur that never gives up?
I never did
Si Aldo.
up.
Kana bitong moment
Yan,
nga
napay walit-walit.
na apil pud kag abil pud ka pa Father's Day. So sa maniday apil pud ka ibis di para nimo. Kuha pud ka og bag, mura jud kag bag, naman kay sa kubag. So nimo palitan lang pud ko wa poy way reklamo.
Nindot ni siya kay take ang strap. Ezekiel. Pili pa siya oh. Did you tell dad, Ezekiel? Ini sa half price books. Word religion.
Oh, that one.
Yep. Ding ding. Yeah. Yep. Vikings at war.
My turn.
Nagkuan mi pangita ay mig words kung kabasa ba. Pili siya books.
The spaghetti that well. Let's go on. It's super
Daghan na
happy for
kay
you.
nagkuan si Amahan siya books.
That's weird. Why do that too?
That's Sudoku.
Sigogo?
Sudoku. Sudoku.
Sudoku.
Nawa ang kuan ni.
I don't know what Sudoku means.
Lots of books.
Sure,
Lots
like
of
before.
Daghan na sa libro ni Amahan ay. Yan, kuan ni siya he loves books. Books. Muna ang iyahang kuan. Ang iyahang ganahan. Ay, naka. Isa ka basket na siya. Ito yes, and me get the main game of word search. Ano siya? Matthias been liking word search.
Wait,
Ano ka mahal?
did you notice that joke? Well, what? That joke.
You can't. You can't. You can't. Yes, there's some.
Ew. That too. What? Okay, who's me?
Matthias.
You might be you.
Yes. Yes. What?
Jokes ang gyapon ni siya. Sige jokes.
You know how the dad joke turned into a grandpa joke?
How?
Because it goes much more older. What? What?
Because it's much older.
Yeah.
Sila alirong na ni silang amahan.
But
Sige, alirong.
How?
Tan ato diri.
that's for sure.
Ana si daddy. Come on, love. Ana si daddy. Nindot na siya. Nice na siya. Pastry. Like ube. Ink daw ka Ezekiel. So mo na yung akong ano na sila yung small donut po na labo. Na oh, Pilipit. That one I like. Sila improve mo siya oh, nice na. Dako na siya, dati gamay pa.
Yogurt and cherry Danish.
Matthias like this one, that one. Grabe ka daghang tao. Daghang tao. Oh, ilang cake. Oh. Pretty cake. Oh. Look at that. Look at. Very grabe silang cake. Oy, kamahal silang cake. Pretty lang cake nak no.
You guys want to get a drink?
Oh.
So get a drink. Pag sila drinks din.
Want some coffee?
Stay na siya dito. Sila. Tuan. No. Yummy. Gi-recommend ni Sis Ana. Try na mo dere. Try na mong chicken. Nice siya din hiyo.
Original
Take out
fried
lang
or some different golden cheese?
Ay, original fried lang lang. Sige, try na to lang. But which one you think?
Two for $5.
Wait, chicken? Do you want to try that one? Or with green onions too?
I don't know. Either one.
You can try that out.
Yeah, that one lang na. Uy, that's why lahat na lang. Yeah, yummy. Calamari. Maybe kuan lang original. Yeah, original lang. Dari sa take out. Nandiyan na ang order namin. Nice wala dari Olympia ang ilahang kuan. Ilahang place. Wala kay tao. Thank you. Stuck. But they never been here. Yeah. Lots of choices. But daddy is the one who's gone here.
What?
Because it's his gift. So we
Are these only for vegetables?
These are also chicken.
Go look. Look at Matthias.
Just sad.
Apil po dahil sila ay sa budget. Oy. Nagkuha na sila gibdang kuan ang note.
2 hearts?
Very sweet. Well, thank you very much.
Give nilang note sa ilang daddy. Nagihimo nila kagabi eh. Ano rin na ang Korean fried chicken. So muna siya ang honey butter at honey butter. Tapos kini ang golden cheese or morning honey butter. Basta golden cheese tapos honey butter o calamari. So ito lang ang mga gikuan. Kaya daghan na kayo. Pila ka buok sulod daghan kayo. Daghan ka siya sulod sa isa ka box niya. So yan, manihapon. Manihapon na lang ni kay. Nagkuan ra, nag-pastry ra ang lunch. Daan ang lunch. So kini amo man ni dinner. Sauce ang calamari. Isa ka sauce, tapos ang isa kong gihabwa. So barbecue sauce ata niyo. Tapos kini, siguro ng other sauce nga para sa other choices. So yan. Food and ending. Big sa iyang favorite nga chocolate canton. Yan.